Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Wix Cloud website performance easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Wix Cloud website performance, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Wix website you want to check. Once the page loads, take note of the website's loading time. You can use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights by searching for it online. Copy your Wix website URL and paste it into the input field on the PageSpeed Insights tool. Click the Analyze button to begin the assessment. Wait for the tool to process your website data. Once complete, review the performance scores provided. Look for specific recommendations that the tool gives you to improve your site. Note the metrics such as first contentful paint and largest contentful paint. These metrics are important indicators of how quickly your website appears to users. Next, consider using GeekMetrics for more detailed analysis. Go to the GeekMetrics website and paste your Wix website URL. Click the Test Your Site button. After a brief analysis, GeekMetrics will display detailed information about your site's performance. Examine both the performance score and the structure report. Pay attention to load times and understand which elements may be slowing your site down. If you prefer a real-time test, open a new tab and go to Pingdom Tools. Input your online store URL and select a region for testing. Click Start Test to see how your site performs from different locations. Review the performance results and analyze the load time for different page elements. Consider conducting tests on various devices as performance can vary. Use the results to identify areas for improvement. Implement the suggested changes in your Wix site editor. Once you've made adjustments, retest your site using the same tools. Check if there's an improvement in the metrics. Regularly monitoring your website performance ensures an optimal user experience. With consistent testing and adjustments, you can maintain your site's efficiency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.